Hello again guys, welcome to a new video and a short one today. Yeah, this week is not too bad at all because I was doing project. I'm doing scrubbing and waxing. It's a bit really harder job because before you start it up you doing scrubbing and waxing, you have to pull out the whole thing like the furnitures, chairs, or etc. guys. So for me that's my favorite duty run at work because I got my own time. But the thing though, when you yeah, it's a bit really harder, especially when you removing the old wax. You have to be careful with it guys. It's totally slippery, and after that mandatory you have to wear mask because it's the chemical. It's really strong guys. Ako po guys, isa po akong handyman. I work in all area, especially if I got extra person to cover my duty run. Ngayon po, nag-aano po tayo, pinalitan po natin yung lumang waxing. Ang tawag po niyan is scrubbing and waxing. Tapos na ako, pinalitan ko na yung tinanggal ko na yung lumang wax, tapos pinalitan ko na ng bago. So medyo mahirap, but I love that I love my work. And then ngayon nasa ano po tayo guys, nasa OR holding area. Yeah, it's really good work guys. I really love it. So mamayang konti i-double check natin. We'll say kung yung floors kung good to go na. Some of my colleague they put about 3 or coats, but for me especially if yung nasa heavy area ka guys, I only not only, I put like 5 heavy coats para parang matagal siya matanggal yung wax guys. Yeah, so mayang konti i-double check natin kung good to go ba. But yeah, it's a bit really hard, but that's my favorite routine work run because I got my own time, no stress, no pressure. So tingnan natin guys kung ready na ba yung floors para ibalik ko na yung mga gamit. Kasi bago ka mag-umpisa, kailangan mo i-pull out lahat yung mga gamit, and then after that you have to do a quick sweep, mop, and then you do the scrubbing, and then after that you have to wet and dry, and then put the wax. And now let's check in the patient holding area guys kung ready na ba yung floors natin. Oh, I really love my job guys. I work in all area. So okay, let's go check, find out if the floor is good to go. Yeah, ito po siya guys. Oh, ito yung ginawa ko ngayon. Oh, see that the floor right there. Yan po ngayon guys, yung ginawa ko ngayon guys. So i-check po natin siya. I-check po natin siya guys kung good to go na ba siya, kung wala ba tayong na-miss. At least kailangan siya, pantay siya yung paglagay mo ng wax. Ito po yung ginagawa ko guys. I sit down, I'll double check if I miss the spot or something. Yeah, see? You can see the floor is really shine guys. I love my job guys. See yan? See? Yeah, all shiny. So now we have to check in this opposite area guys. Yeah, so yeah, yan na, nandito tayo sa patient holding area sa OR. So yeah, dinoble check ko na lahat. So looks like everything is good to go, and ibalik ko na yung mga gamit. Siyempre unahin ko muna tong mga cortina guys. Yeah, so and yeah, My apologies if I only do a quick video because I'm almost run out of the data, guys. Maayong buntag Pilipinas, maayong gabi Canada. Stay safe, be wise, be healthy, stay home. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.